Hello, Seeley Clark here. I'm going to show you how to create your first list in your GetResponse autoresponder and how to set up your first automatic to go out email. That way, when someone opts into your list, they automatically get an email, even if it's 2 in the morning and you're sleeping. So, this is what the dashboard will look like in your GetResponse autoresponder. In the middle of the dashboard, on the upper part, there is three or four things: lists, reports, drafts, and create. You want to click on the blue lists button. Now you will have a whole bunch of stuff down here. Don't worry about this list across the top. What you're looking for is the blue pill-shaped button that says Create List. You're going to click on the Create List button. Now that you've done that, you'll see Create List with a box below, and that's where you put your list name. So if you happen to be in a widget business, you'll put My Widget Business. Then you're going to click, there's going to have one that says Create, and you're going to click in the lower right-hand corner. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I messed up. I put spaces. Live video, you gotta love it. So we'll put that all together. My widget business. There. Okay. So now that's populated down here. You can see it. It's always listed on your left-hand side. And when you hover over it, it's blue. So now the next thing we're going to do is from there, you need to put an automatic to deliver email in there. They call it an autoresponder. I call it a timed follow-up or follow-up. But regardless, you go from here. You go up to where it says create, the blue button, top rightmost button. You click that, it'll give you a drop-down menu. You're going to see just to the right, it has a number 1 and it says Create Autoresponder. You're going to click on that. And now it brings you to a form where you're going to fill out your autoresponder. First thing you do is you're going to title your message. So this title is for you. So let's say, thanks for joining my widget business list. You can get more in detail later. This is set up so that you can send your email out automatically the second they join, which I would suggest you do that. It says on day 0, so as soon as they join, it sends it out, and you want to make sure you have all of these boxes checked off for every day of the week. Okay, so the first message will always be 0. One important thing is the linked list up here. You're going to click on that and go to My Widget Business. Okay, so after you put thanks for joining my widget business list, it says linked list. You want to make sure it's not to something else. So if you have 3 or 4 different things in there, so you want to make sure, okay, I'm in my widget business. Good. 0 is how many days delay. So the first one's going to go out immediately, and it'll go out every day no matter when anybody opts in. Now you have a from email address that'll appear in the top of the email that your customers, clients, and leads see. Now this could be your regular Gmail, or you could have a custom one like you see here. And then you also put the same one in for a reply to. So if they write you back, they'll send it there. If you need to change the address for whatever reason, this blue section that says add another address, it's in blue and it has an underline when you hover over it, that'd be where you do that. Now onto the subject line, which you're going to put, I usually put the same thing as I put up here. So we're going to go back down, paste that into the subject line, and usually you offer them something of value in return for them giving you their name and email in a form online out there. They put their name, their email, and then they get their gift or ethical bribe. So you'd say, thanks for joining my widget business list. Don't get your free, free gift. That's all good right there. You're going to go to design and content. You're going to click over here, design message. Now it's going to bring you to something that looks kind of overwhelming. You get all these templates. I don't want you to worry about any of these. I want you to focus on right dead middle in the page. Below design and content, you're going to see something that says blank templates. So you're going to click on that. Then you're going to pick the rightmost blank template and click on use template. Then it's going to bring you to the interior workings of where you're going to put your email. Now, the first thing I do is I click on this logo. Then you go over and it says header, and just below it, it says show view online link. I click that off. I also click off show logo, and then it disappears. You see, it's gone. So after you've done that, you can go back up into layout. And now over here to your right hand side, you have drag and drop boxes where you can bring in images, text, buttons, videos, whatever. We're going to start basic with text. So now you see how that moved that. I came from text, want it above your information because your information is automatically populated. So we're going to drop it there. And then you see this little bar, and that's where you put your text. So you'll write your message, hi, thanks for joining my widget business list. Please mark this email as important so you don't miss out on any future offers. Here is your free gift, free gift as promised. Actually, I'm going to do better because some people know hyperlinks, some people don't. So let's just say, click here to get your free gift as promised. Thanks again for joining. Sincerely, your name. Now, you promised them a free gift if they opted into your email list. So now this is where you deliver. And you're actually going to go down here. You're going to highlight this. You can highlight just click here if you want to, or you can highlight the whole sentence. This time I'm going to highlight the whole sentence. Now you're going to go up here and you're going to go to this looks like a piece of chain. This next to the icon of the man with the pencil. So it looks like chain link. That is a link. Click on that. Then you put in your website address or whatever address you have to send them to get their free gift. So you'd put it to mywidgetbusiness.com/free gift page, whatever page you have set up, whatever you have, or even if you have an offer, if you're an affiliate, this is where you send them. So then it says the text, which is what you highlighted. So it says click here to get your free gift as promised. Then you put in your URL, and I just used this placeholder. You click insert, and now you can see that it is highlighted in blue. And when your recipient clicks on that, they will be taken to the address that you entered. If you're not sure you entered it right, what you're going to do is go up here, click that chain again, that link button. You're going to review it and then just click update. So now you're going to go to the upper right hand corner. Now that your email is all written and it's happy, you're going to go next. Upper right hand corner, pill shaped button that's blue, click next. Now it says thanks for joining my widget business list. It's 0 days. It's set up for every day. It has a from and to email address so they can reply back to you. It has your subject line, which should get their attention. That's why I added, in this case, don't forget your free gift. It could be don't forget your 20% discount. It could be anything you want. Now you've edited your message, which is just what we went through. They do a spam check. 99.9% of the time, nothing's ever wrong with emails that a lot of people write. So no worries there. Then you keep scrolling down and you're actually going to go down to these buttons first where it says tracking. Leave click tracking on, but track link clicks with Google Analytics, you're going to want to turn that off. And you're going to send yourself a test message. You click that, and it will go to this email address to test. Whatever you put in here is where this test will go. Okay. Now, what you're going to do after that's all done, you've done your check, is you're going to go to this blue button that says Save and Publish. Click that. And then to check to make sure it's there, you're going to go to just that list. You see it, My Widget Business. Click on that, click Apply, and now you see that your email's in here. It's on, so when someone opts in, it'll automatically kick that out to them, and they'll get the email you just saw us write. And that's it. You have your automated email marketing machine. That's how you set up your list, and that's how you set up your first email to go out automatically to people who join your list. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss notifications from me about future videos. And if you like it, click the thumbs up button. Until I talk to you again, have a great night.